this video I will talk about the fully funded scholarship in Ireland. I have different videos about how to study for free in other European countries and not only European countries. You can watch them, of course. I will talk about how you can apply for this scholarship, what documents you need, and what are the deadlines, and how much money you will get as a stipend. The government scholarship of Ireland is available for master and PhD programs, but the only point is that the scholarship is provided only for 1 year. So if you find a 1-year master program, it makes very good sense to go there, study, and get your master degree. But if you're applying for PhD is usually 3 or 4 years, so the scholarship will cover the first year of your studies, and then further you can find other sources of funding, or you can just start working in the country and try to fund your study. The scholarship is provided every year almost, and it's for every year they accept 60 students from different countries all over the world. And if you are talking about the requirements, first of all, you have to be the citizens of outside of the European Union. So if you are not from the Europe, it's even better. So and the second thing, that you have to get the conditional offer or final offer from the university or institute in Ireland. There are 25 different universities, Irish universities, that participate in this program, and I will share with you in the comment the link to this university. So what you should do: first you apply to universities, and then with the offer you apply to the scholarship. The deadline of the scholarship is the 13th of March, so you will have almost 6-7 months until you get the offer from university, and then you can apply through their online platform, which you will find in the description of the video also. What the scholarship covers: it's tuition fee and 10,000 euros for this year. Maybe in some cities of Ireland, especially in the capital, it is not enough, but at the same time you can work while you're studying, so you can cover your living costs in the country for sure. So what documents you need to apply for the scholarship? First of all, you have to go to the website of the university that you choose, and according to the requirements of the program, prepare the documents. And usually it's motivation letter, it's your valid passport, it's reference letters, and for master and PhD sometimes you need research proposal, what I will talk in my future videos, so stay tuned. Of course, you should upload your academic transcripts and the degree, bachelor of course, or master if you are applying for PhD. And after you get the offer from the university, you have to apply through the portal of government scholarship and provide again all the documents you have provided for the university, plus the final letter or conditional offer letter from the university. The good thing about the scholarship is that you don't have to go through interview step. If after you apply for the university and apply for the scholarship with your letter, you will get the results by early June, and you can start your studies in September or October of each year. And the last thing, yes, about bachelor degree, unfortunately, if you're an undergraduate student, you are not eligible to apply for the scholarship, but there are many scholarships that you can apply and get it, and please watch them in my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be very thankful to you for your like, for your comments and subscription, and see you in my next videos.